are getting ready to walk over to the port and just go shopping and perhaps get a couple of drinks. And after that, we'll probably get some drone footage that we can't wait to show you.
We are here in gorgeous Cozumel.
Yeah.
That's the Carnival Ecstasy behind us. This is our ship, the Carnival Conquest, that we just got off. Those are the beautiful waters of Mexico. And like my beautiful wife just said, we're about to go and have a good time. Some drone footage coming soon. We're probably gonna have some drinks, maybe do a little bit of shopping, probably do a little bit of shopping. Sorry. And we'll check back in. Take it easy, guys. evening, everyone.
Hello.
Welcome back to Cruise Button.
Yeah.
We are here. We have just departed Cozumel, Mexico. We are headed back to Miami, but we still have a fun day at sea tomorrow. We had an amazing time in Cozumel.
Yes, we did.
She reluctantly says that, even though we did have a great time in Cozumel.
We just had a few technical difficulties that kind of set us back a little bit, but kind of discouraging. But we learned a lot from them. So yeah, I'm okay. We had a great time. Yeah, Senor Frogs was amazing. The yard was amazing. The guac was amazing, fantastic. They kept trying to get us to take shots, and I was like, no. But anyhow, yeah, it was great. We had a great time.
A lot of vendors trying to get us to purchase items, but that's typical. They're out there to do their best to try to make a living, and usually we do purchase a lot of things. This time we will be back in a couple of weeks with the family and with friends, so we'll likely do a little bit more shopping at that point. This trip was a little bit more business, so we weren't really too much into the shopping aspect of it. But like my lovely wife said, we did have a few technical difficulties, but that's okay. Those are opportunities that we'll grow from and we'll build from, and we did get a lot of great content that we're going to put out there, and you all are going to be the first to see it. And I'll tell you how. If you like and you subscribe, go ahead, hit those buttons right below. If you don't like it, hit that dislike button 2 times. I hope you all have a great evening. We're going to turn in for the night, and we'll talk to you guys later. Stay tuned.
Bye, guys.
Peace out.
See you in the morning.
Will do. Portrait, does that mean that it's blurred behind us?
Yeah.
Does it?
I think so. It looks blurred.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. Okay, no, not good morning.
Okay.
Why you gonna tell people to hit the dislike button twice?
Because it turns you off.
I'm so stupid. I didn't catch on to that one, but it's true. Okay.
Boom! Let's go! Bloopers!
Let's go.
Behind the scenes, this is what we do. We're very happy.